Let's take a look at ETZ's time-saving reports. As you can see, there is a very comprehensive list of 60 plus reports to cover all your needs. Our report sections include timesheet reports, everything from hours, pay, and bill rates from a timesheet, sales report, including invoice and purchase order summaries, payment reports, payment and purchase order summaries, margin and forecast reports, including on-cost, split margin, consultant commission, and more, and other reports, including logs of emails and invitations and voided invoice lists. Our reports can be previewed online in a tab or can be downloaded. We also offer a range of filtering options per report to ensure you are getting the information you need. You can see here our timesheet by hours report has a pop-up that lets you filter the information you need before selecting if you want a CSV file or Excel file of the information. Others you can filter online. In the recent sent emails report, you can filter per email address or description of email. And timesheet by payment by hours, you can filter by client, start and end date, if you want to see the pay or bill amounts, and select the way you want the information sorted. You can then download and save from the online reports by Word, Excel, PDF, and more. Some reports also let you download to Excel in a click of a button. To find out more about how we can save you time completing your reports, go to www.etztech.com.au.